Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make an Amazon account in minutes. So what you're going to do here is go to any web browser and then type Amazon. Click this link right here. It will take you directly to the Amazon homepage, and what you're going to do is you have to tap on this sign in. You will have your option right here to create a new one. So if you don't have an account, all you need to do is tap on create an account or create account right here, and basically it will ask you some of your basic information like your email, your phone number in order for you to create one. So here, tap on create an account, and then you need to enter your phone number or email. Below, you need to add your name and then add a password. Make sure that this one is a strong one, and you need to follow the format for creating a password. Now, once done, re-enter your password again. Once done, you need to verify your mobile number or phone number. So you need to tap on verify phone number right here. You will receive a code from this specific number, and all you need to do is to add or enter the number right here. But before that, you need to follow this one first. You need to solve this puzzle, and then once done, then you need to enter the code that you have received from your phone number. Now, if this one is incorrect, then you can just probably tap on the change here and then change your phone number. Enter the code that they have sent to your phone number, and then once done, then that's it. You can now go to your Amazon account, start adding basic information, and then your shipping address, start also adding products. And if you want to upgrade to Amazon seller, you need to create an account on Amazon seller. But this is how you simply create or make Amazon account in minutes. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.